Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to download and install the Connect IQ Store application on our phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Once you do, open App Store on your phone. I'm gonna open the Google Play Store because I'm using the Android device, but if you're using iPhone, you can also open the App Store and you will find the application in there. So open the App Store, tap on Start, or rather on Search, my bad, and type in Connect IQ Store, and then tap on Search. And you should see this application on the list of apps, Connect IQ Store by Garmin with this icon. Once you find it, tap on the install button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button, then tap on welcome. And here, tap on continue, or if you want to switch the account, you can tap on switch accounts. Then tap here to check the box, tap next. Allow the required permission. And after a couple of seconds, the main page of IQ Store should load. And here you have different categories of apps and watch faces. You can browse through them to look for something you like. I'm just gonna tap on search, tap on watch faces right here to narrow my search to watch faces. Now I'm gonna scroll down, look for something. So once you find the watch face you want to install, tap on it to select it. And here you have some info about it. You have the description, you have the reviews if you want to check them. And you can also check the additional information like when it was updated, version, size. And if you're not sure it will work on your watch, you can always tap on compatible devices. Scroll down through the list and look for your model of the watch. And it's here. So once you find it, that means that the watch face will work on your watch. So now we can install it by tapping on the install button, tapping on allow, and it's gonna get queued to download. And it might take some time sometimes, or rather, sometimes it takes longer for it to install because something is queued in before the watch face, like an update for the IQ Store or something like that. So if it doesn't install immediately, just wait. It could take minute or couple minutes basically for it to install, but once it's done installing, you will see this pop up on the screen. You can tap on got it, and also it will be applied automatically on your watch, as you can see. Okay, and of course you can install more watch faces if you want to, and if you want to check the list of the watch faces you installed on your watch, you can tap on my devices and then my watch faces, and here you have the list. And you can tap on them to open the info page, you can uninstall them and stuff like that. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.